are dawdling, Amicia. How will you be able to follow the lords at hunt?
Is that your only ambition for me? To follow? I will beat them, and I will watch them eat my dust as I forge ahead. But for that, I shall need a good horse.
You've been going on about this walk for ages. Why here?
The tree.
Which tree?
The apple tree, Father. I want to take the Knight's challenge once more.
The Knight's challenge? But you're not 10 years old anymore, you know.
Oh, please, Father. I've trained hard for this.
All right, let's go.
Look at Lee. The Guian beast is in a hurry to fight it out.
Your beast thinks with its stomach, as usual.
Well, there's something you both have in common.
That's harsh.
Go on, boy. You'll find the prey. I believe in you.
Don't get your hopes up. Let's keep going. Look. Your mother's ribbon is still here. This is where I courted her, you know.
Yes, Father, I know. If only she could come with us.
We all have obligations, Amicia. You know, in a family. Hey, I'm trying to tell her something.
Such authority, Knight de Rune.
Go! And bring something back for once. Right. As I was saying, we all have obligations. I have to manage these lands. Your mother has to take care of your brother. And you...
And I hardly ever see you. I see Mother even less.
Listen. We're here for you now. So, follow me, daughter.
Hey, wait!
I hope you have your sling.
Of course.
Come on, then. Do you dare to enter the Trials Gate?
Amicia de Rune fears nothing.
This apple tree was planted when you were born. It will prove your worth.
Sir Knight, what are the terms of the test?
The sacred apples of the... sacred apple tree have been corrupted by a great evil. If you destroy 6 of these rotten apples by the time I count to 10, I will make you a knight.
I accept your challenge.
I can see some stones near the trunk over there. Go and get them and tell me when you're ready.
Ready? I'll show you I'm not a child anymore.
All right, come back. Stand behind this trunk. You'll shoot from here.
It shall be done.
So, here we go. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, Amicia. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Not bad. But your sling makes a devil of a noise.
It was a present. From you.
Oh, yes. I'd quite forgotten. Goodness, what's up with him?
He must have smelled a rabbit. Come on, quickly.
You go ahead. I'll catch up with you. You're much faster than I am.
Leon! Wait for me! Leon! A hunting dog is not not supposed to lose its hunter. Leo! Where did he go? Ah, there you are. What did you smell? Oh gosh, a wild boar. What a good dog.
Amicia, did he find something?
Shh, come and see. A wild boar.
Some game. This will do nicely for a little feast.
I could use my sling.
That might work. But you'll need to get closer. This grass will keep you hidden if you stay low.
I've run out of rocks. There must be some around here. Oh no, it saw me.
Find a way to sneak up. You have to hit the head.
Stones. These are what I need.
Careful. You have to aim for the head.
Its head. I have to aim for its head. There you are.
Use the high grass. Stay low. Nice shot! Does hunger always make you this accurate?
Huh.
But the feast isn't on your plate quite yet.
No. Go, Leon. Don't lose the scent. I promise you, tonight we shall dine like kings.
I have no doubt we will.
Don't give up, Leon. I'm coming, Leon. Keep him there and you'll get a piece for yourself. The boar. It's bleeding. Oh no, I'll sink in there. He stopped barking. He must have found it. These bridges were almost new. Someone's not going to be happy. The trees. What did that? Leo, come here! It's the boar. But how? Leon couldn't have done that. Leo! Come here! Leo! I'm here! I'm coming! My dog. Who did this?
What devilry is this? We must go. Immediately. I shall organize a hunt. Go and find your mother. Tell her I must speak with her. She's probably...
Looking after Hugo. Yes, of course.
Amicia. He was a good dog. Where are the rivets for reinforcing the door?
I haven't been able to make them yet.
Did you hear about the English troops arriving?
Good day, Lady Amicia.
Those new rivets will have to wait.
Oh, Lady
By the way,
Amicia, did you
any
have a
news
good
about the
walk?
town?
Later, Flo.
Everyone is on
Tell
edge.
the others that the forest is out of bounds until further notice.
Sounds like the English to me.
Yes, I'll tell
Why
them.
would the English go and bite people?
I don't know, to keep us off balance. Alia oratio sancti Sebastiani, keep us from evil. May you forever grant us health and keep plague from our door.
Take care of Leon, please. He deserves his place at your side, even if he was a bit naughty sometimes. Goodbye, my darling dog. I hope Mother's not too busy.
This sunshine won't last long. The rain has already ruined the harvest. People are dying of hunger.
Ah, Gabrielle.
You're lucky to be in
Is
this
Mother
house.
upstairs?
Mark my
Yes,
words.
she spent the night there. The
You're
little
right
one had
about
another
that.
one of his attacks.
She won't be in a good mood.
Did you hear what happened at the village?
People being bitten. Kids too, can you imagine?
Each time it happens at night?
Famine, war on our doorstep, and now vampires?
Oh, we must have seen something rotten to be punished so.
Cinnamon. I'd almost forgotten what it smells like. They were right to hide it. Father would put it in every dish. The smell of your cooking warms the heart.
Oh, it's nothing much, but I think you'll like it.
I'm sure I will.
Oh, Lady Amicia, hello. I didn't see you there.
Yes, hello, milady.
Hello.
Yes, Lady Beatrice, leave it to me.
Louise, have you been to see Mother?
Indeed, do you want to see her?
It's important. Father's orders.
Oh, in that case, I have to finish your room. By the way, I've left a little something for you on your bed. Come and see if you like.
Ah, thank you. It's the placemat that Mother made for me when I was a little girl. I've been looking for it everywhere. Thank you, Louise. Oh, Leon.
You're welcome, sweetness.
What am I going to
got it
do
now.
here without you? Mother?
You know you're not supposed to be here.
I know, but something attacked Leon in the forest.
My dear, I really wish I had the time to listen to your adventures, but...
But it's true. Leon was lying there on the ground, and then he was...
Shh! You are to stay here with your brother.
What? Why? What's
Close
happening?
the door behind me and do not open the shutters, whatever happens.
But... Hugo...
He is not contagious. I realize you hardly know him, but he will be all right. Trust me, Amicia.
Yes, Mother. How long has he been here? 4 years? 5? Where is he? Hugo? It's locked.
Come and see.
All these potions. Mother, will you ever be able to cure him? It's me. Your sister? Amicia?
Hello.
We haven't seen each other much. Mummy will be back soon.
Move! Come on!
Did he talk?
No, Lord Nicholas. He killed 2 of our men!
Where is he? I won't ask again. Where is your son?
In good hands.
Search the house.
Is that Mummy?
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
Shh.
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games. Where have they hidden him?
Let's go. Now.
Where's Mummy?
Shh.
Where the f is he?
Stay down.
Hugo, it's me, Gabrielle. Come here, quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's
Where's
go.
the kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth! He belongs to the Inquisition.
But he's just a
Should have
child.
handed over the
Not
child.
mine.
Was he really that hard?
Leia.
I don't know anything. There you go. That'll teach you.
No.
Wait, intruder! On guard!
Alicia! No!
He must be taken.
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
Shh.
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games. Where the f is he?
Stay down.
They hidden him.
Hugo, it's me, Gabrielle. Come here, quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's
Where's
go.
the kid, huh?
Leave him alone!
Shut your mouth! He belongs to the Inquisition.
But he's just a child. You've lost your mind.
Gabrielle.
Amicia.
Shh.
You should have handed over the child. Was it really that hard?
Leia.
I don't know anything.
There you go. That'll teach you.
No. I'm begging you. Hugo's not.
I know I saw. Hey, there's somebody here.
Amicia!
Hugo, come here.
What's happening?
Shh.
I know you're here, kid. I don't have time to play games. Where the f is he?
Stay down.
Hugo, it's me, Gabrielle. Come here quickly.
Hey, you! What the hell are you doing?
Let's
Where's
go.
the kid, huh?
Leave him alone.
Shut your mouth! He belongs to the Inquisition. You should have
He's
handed
just
over the
a child.
Was it
You've
really
lost
that
your
hard?
mind.
Oh
Leia.
I don't know anything.
There you go. That'll teach you.
No. I'm begging you. Hugo's not here.
And you, stay here.
no. Come on.
It's very clear. Tell me, where is Hugo the Ring?
Amicia. What's going on?
Mother. I have to find Mother. She'll know. Oh my God. Louise.
You think it's funny making me run like that?
Amicia. Please.
There's no point begging.
We need to move.
But don't worry. You
Don't
won't
look.
die in vain. We serve a higher power. You're not hiding in
No, Amicia.
We have to keep going.
Where are your mistress's notes? Speak up! Don't make me hurt you again.
I have no idea. I only do the laundry.
Listen, this is your last chance. Tell us what you know about your mistress's research.
Even if I knew, I wouldn't say anything. Lady Beatrice is a good soul.
Right, there are still rooms to be searched. Finish it. Well, well, well. Where do you think you're going?
My children. What is happening?
We will be all right, do you hear me? Come on.
Hugo, take your sister's hand. I'll go first, and you just have to follow me, all right? We have to cross the gardens. Amicia, hold your brother's hand and follow me in silence, all right?
Yes,
Yes,
Guards, watch the exits!
you can come here.
I'm coming.
They are everywhere. Trust me. Through the grass, they won't be able to see us. Wait.
Mommy.
Shh.
Hey, I've got another one.
Who is it?
The gardener. Knows the family well. Says he watched the kids grow up.
Yes, the little one loves flowers. I used to take him some.
Flowers! You can do better than that. Take him!
It worked.
Stay here and not a sound.
I'll wait for you.
Follow me. Quietly now.
Straight away.
Me. Go
I will be back soon.
Oh, yeah?
You have to be quiet, right?
All right.
Listen.
It's okay, Hugo.
Yes.
And I'll come back later. And you! Don't die without talking to me first.
bastards! Cowards!
Oh, stop.
We have to get through.
Breaking my heart.
Amicia, help him. I'll carry you. All right, be careful getting down. Yes.
But Robert the Rune doesn't like the
Just a
Inquisition.
boy and a bunch of
Even though we
peasants.
got the
How long can it
Lord
take?
Go on.
Look out.
They'll see us.
We have to get further away.
If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there. Just stay calm and wait for me here.
All right. I'll stay here.
Come on, be careful.
All right.
Don't move and keep calm. I'll be back very soon.
I'll wait for you.
Hey!
No, no, no!
Look out.
They'll see us.
We have to get further away.
If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there,
Your sling will give us away.
I can throw it instead. Stay here and not a sound.
I won't move.
What was that noise?
Right, let's go.
You can come here.
Straight away.
There's something over there.
My head.
Breathe, Hugo, like I showed you.
What's wrong with him?
His illness has awoken. We need to go faster.
What? You're going to get sick of hiding before long.
Oh, no! No!
Look out.
They'll see us.
We have to get further away.
If I can hit the helmets in the crates over there,
Your sling will give us away.
I can throw it instead.
What the hell was that?
Right, let's go.
My head.
Breathe, Hugo, like I showed you.
What's wrong with him?
His illness has awoken. We need to go faster.
So, the boy?
He's hiding, but Lord Nicholas is tracking him down.
He's the Grand Inquisitor's right hand. The Guard has never had a better captain.
Good. At least he got the father.
And soon he'll get the son.
Mother, why? What do they want from him?
I'll explain later. We have to get out of here first.
I heard.
Let's go.
Be right back. What the? Again? Let's go and see.
Be careful. You never know.
We can't go.
Mother,
Maybe by throwing one of these pots,
really?
the noise will attract him.
Still nothing.
We'll slip past behind his back.
Something's
All
not
right.
Listen, I know what you poor people are like. Always
Still
got a
nothing.
sneaky coin hidden
Am I going
somewhere.
crazy?
What was that noise? It's the second time.
Come on.
I need to see this.
Oh, no, no, no.
Stay calm. Hold my hand tight.
It's locked from the other side.
Mother, the hole in the wall.
Yes, Hugo, I'm sorry. I know you're scared, but if you get through there, you can open the door for us. You're the only one who can do it.
What's behind there?
Just concentrate on the door. You're a brave boy. You prove it to me every day. Amicia is going to let go of your hand. Then you can quickly go through, all right?
All right.
Be strong.
Well done.
There are people.
Hold my hand. Come on.
Mercy! Mercy!
Wait.
Screaming for mercy won't make you run faster, my lad!
Come on.
What was that? Let's check it out.
Follow me.
Nothing.